Apple just dropped iOS 18, and it's packed with some seriously cool accessibility features for people with disabilities. Whether you're blind, deaf, or use assistive tech, this update has something for you across iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Let's break down the highlights. First up, Voiceover users are going to love this. Apple's improved text detection across apps like Messages and Mail means Voiceover can now handle complex text layouts more smoothly. It also recognizes images, so navigating your favorite apps is now easier than ever. If you're a Braille user, there are major updates too. Braille Display support now works across more apps. It's faster and more accurate, giving you seamless transitions when switching between apps. You can even use your Braille Display to control other connected Apple devices. Here's something new and groundbreaking: eye tracking support. Yep, iOS 18 allows users with mobility issues to control their iPhone or iPad with just their eyes. Whether you're swiping through screens or selecting apps, your device follows your gaze. No need for touch gestures at all. Now, for all the music lovers out there, Apple introduced Music Haptics. You can actually feel your music through vibrations that sync to the beat. This feature is great for deaf or hard of hearing users who want to feel more connected to their playlists. Mac users, Apple's upped the game with enhanced voice control. Whether you're editing a document or browsing the web, you now have more customizable commands and better integration with third-party apps. It's smoother, faster, and more responsive, making hands-free use a breeze. And of course, there are improvements to existing features like Zoom. Now it works more fluidly with apps, and pairing it with VoiceOver is easier, making it super convenient for users with low vision. iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS all work together to make accessibility not just a feature, but a priority. Whether you're using VoiceOver, eye tracking, or just want to feel the music, this update makes Apple devices more inclusive than ever before. So what feature are you most excited to try?